Okay guys, welcome back, and I'm going to do a quick trade recap of today's trade. Um, I was at work today, I went to work after I went to work half an hour after market open. So damn, market pumped like hella much. Okay, but anyways, I was at work though, so I took my trade at work. So it wasn't that good of a trade, maybe. I don't know. But we can see market open, boom, we retrace a bit, but not much at all. We start pumping back up again. And then after this, here we have a retrace. Wait, no, we don't have a retrace actually. Wait. Um, no, I wanted to check the equilibrium. I don't think it was here. Uh, Anyways, I did my analysis on ES, also maybe ES and NQ and wait, NQ there. Okay. Let me just clear these out because they are not important to us anymore. Okay, I'm just going to clear everything except market open, which was right here. Okay, yeah, we also had an SMT at the lows, but yeah, market open. We got two 5-minute down candles, and then we just pumped straight up on both of them. After that, we came down here. I was hoping for a retrace down into this 5-minute right here, but we did not get it. So I waited, and I went for us to continue a bit higher, but here we were just chopping around, and we got a 15-minute retrace into equilibrium, which uh, this way, there's no way. Yeah, anyways, yeah, here we got retrace to equilibrium on, we got the retrace on NQ, so I just thought, and we also retrace into this 50-minute rally gap. I thought that ES was more bullish, so we can just go and scale down to the 5-minute right here, and then we had a break of structure. Let's just say, I don't know if I would count this as a break of structure because we have this high right here, and then we have this high right here, and we broke structure on this high right here, so that's how I would count the break of structure. We got the break of structure on the 5-minute. I scaled down, or we already had some up candles right here as well, so I just scaled down to the 5-minute, and I entered off of this 1-minute break of structure after uh, this initial retrace on NQ. So I entered right here, not right there. Enter right here at the break when the candle closed. I put my stop loss right under here, and then I targeted uh, initially I wanted these highs because of DRR, but I put it here just for safe measure on MES at least. And as you guys can see, I got stopped out right here. I got stopped out, and then we pumped a bit, and then we dipped down, swept this low. Let me see, are we okay? Yeah, we are on the 1 minute. Just so I got stopped out on this candle right here. Boom, we swept. Ooh, this right here on ES, but not on NQ. So we also have a bullish fair value gap right here, and then price just rallied to my TP. Why I got stopped out here, I would say because there's basically trendline liquidity right here. We have this low, and this low as well. This is the protected low, to put it that way, because you have this big wick right here. I don't know, maybe it was new, so maybe it would have been swept, but initially I don't see anything else I could have done. Okay, we have also a 5 minute fair value gap right here. We also have a 5 minute fair value gap, which makes a bit more sense. Yeah, we have this fair value gap right here, and this is the low. So uh, I would probably, if I would have not taken this trade, I would have waited for a retrace, um, which we basically got right here. No, I wouldn't have counted that either. But at least this big candle and probably a break of structure, which would have been right here. And then I would have targeted the highs from here all the way to up here, which is exactly, yeah, basically 2RR. But anyways, I did not catch this trade, so it's a lot more easier for me to convince myself that I would have done that. But if I actually would have, I don't know. Maybe because my bias was still long. But we have a new day tomorrow. Still confident. Not getting affected by these losses so much anymore, or probably not at all, because I won't say that I'm that much affected. Of course, it sucks that I lost, but it's a part of the game, you know. So we'll see tomorrow how it goes when I full port PPI. Hopefully I don't get greedy and just um, get out of the trade the first minute that when it releases, and then I can just build my buffer. So yeah, this was today's trade, and I will be taking two trades tomorrow actually. full porting PPI, and I'm going to trade market open as well. So see you guys tomorrow.